Hello beginners, welcome to Basic Edits, MoGraphs and VFX channel. In this channel, you will learn everything from basic edits to advanced motion graphics, VFX and 3D. If you learn all these tools, it means you have got the knowledge of a basic editing. Today we will learn how to make edits by using selection tool, red stretch tool, ripple edit tool and rolling tool. I have these two clips on the timeline. Let's check their duration first. Its duration is 4 seconds and 19 frames. Its duration is 4 seconds and 19 frames. We can see this woman is making some stunts by showing her hands, and in this clip we can see these two bikes are getting out of camera. Okay, if I take this selection tool, it will look like this as a white arrow, but as I drag it to the middle of two clips, it will turn to red. If I decrease its duration to a point where this woman is laying down her hands, it means this clip has been trimmed to 3 seconds and 15 frames, and now its duration is 1 second and 4 frames or 3 frames. And in the monitor, this is a last frame of the instant clip and this is the first frame of our next clip. But if I take a red stretch tool from here, if I decrease its duration to a point where this first bike is getting out of camera, let's decrease this. It seems like it has been trimmed, but actually it's not trimmed, because when I play this, we can see first bike and second bike getting out of camera. It means its duration is not decreased, but its speed has been increased. If I zoom into timeline by pressing equal to key from a keyboard, you can see its speed has been increased and now its speed is at 208.77%. And before trim it was 100%. So we use selection tool to trim a clip, but we use red stretch tool not to trim the clip but to speed up a clip. Now go back by pressing Ctrl Z from keyboard. Okay, if I take this ripple edit tool, in both sides single arrow will appear. It means it can trim only one clip without creating any impact on the duration of second clip. Let's suppose if I decrease its duration to 4 seconds and now this clip is at the duration of 1 second. And if I go to monitor, this is the last frame of our instant clip, which is a 1 second, and this is the first frame of our up next clip. Similarly, if I reduce the duration of a second clip where this bike is getting out of camera, you can see no gap appears between the clips. It means we use ripple edit tool to trim one clip while having two clips on the timeline. Now go back by pressing Ctrl Z from keyboard. If I take this rolling edit tool or press N from keyboard, you can see it has two arrows on both sides. It means if the duration of one clip decreases, the duration of second clip will increases. Let's suppose if I trim this part of a clip to around 1 second, the duration of second clip will increases. If I reduce the duration of first clip to around 1 second, the duration of second clip increases. It means we use rolling edit tool to trim two clips simultaneously. Hopefully you got my point. I have already uploaded tutorials on all these tools. The links are available in description. You can check it out and make your edits better. This is the end of this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.